Hi everyone, welcome to D's Coding channel. Today we're going to learn HTML lesson 2. So if you haven't seen HTML lesson 1, do see that first to understand this lesson. So let's get started. So guys, let us see a quick recap of lesson 1. HTML is a programming language in simple words. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. We use HTML for making documents or web pages that can be displayed on a browser. The two parts of HTML are the head and the body. We write an HTML like this as shown on the screen. The words are enclosed within angular brackets. So any text enclosed within angular brackets are called tags in HTML. Opening a tag. When you open a tag, you should only use angular brackets. We use it when we want to start a part of the program, like as shown on the screen. Closing a tag. When you close a tag, you should only use angular brackets with a slash after the first angular bracket. We use it when we want to end a part of the program, like this as shown on the screen. So now let us see what we will do in today's lesson. We will learn some important tags, see in real web page which is the head and the body, and create a small basic program using HTML. The head and the body in HTML. We already know what is the head and the body in HTML, so let us see how it's open and closed. So you can see how the head and the body is open and closed in tags on the screen. So let us see some examples of head and body in a web page. So the picture which you can see on the screen is the part of the head. So we will learn a new tag named title. The title is a part of this head. So the place where you can see the Google is written is called the title. The title is the part of the web page with the head. It denotes which web page is open. It is displayed in the tabs bar in the browser. Without the title, the head is incomplete. But remember, the title and the head are different from each other. Now you can see how the title is opened and closed. So this part which you can see on the screen is called the body. So there are many parts in the body, so I will not be saying specifically one about them. So I just told title because mostly we only write title in the head. So guys, do you know what is the most important tag in HTML? The most important tag in HTML is the HTML tag itself. Without this tag, the program will not identify the code as HTML but as a text instead. The HTML is also the first and last tag to be written in the HTML code. An open HTML tag looks like this. A closed HTML tag looks like this as shown on the screen. It is very important to close the HTML tag. The P tag or the paragraph tag. The P tag is used for writing text basically. The P in the tag means paragraph. It is shortened as angular brackets and inside it as P. So first we will know the app which we'll be using. So the app is Notepad. So don't worry, this app is already installed in your computer. If you are doing this on a phone or a tablet, you can use V3 Schools HTML. I will give a link to it in the description below. You can use this link if you are unable to use Notepad in your computer. So now I will show you how to open Notepad in your computer. So there are 6 ways to do this, but I will show you a few of them. So first go to the start menu and scroll down and go to the Windows accessories and open that folder and click on Notepad. The next one is by searching it, from the start button, you can just click the start button, search it, and open it from the results. So, everyone, since now we know all these things, let's start coding. So, guys, now I have a blank notepad window open, and first I'm going to type HTML. So, it's very important to type HTML first as it is the first thing to be written. So after that, I'm going to type in head as we want the title to be written first. So I showed you guys what it is, so you must have probably understand why we're doing this. So next, let's type in the title. So I have decided to make a website about myself. So here I have opened the title tag and I've wrote my about myself, and after writing about myself I've not given a space and directly closed the title. So now we are done with the head part. So next I'm going to close this head. So guys, now we are done with the coding for the head. Now let's start doing the coding for the body. So first let us open the body tag. So next we are going to add the text. So this time we are going to use the p tags which I told you before, the paragraph tags. So in the first paragraph tag I'm going to write about myself as I want the people seeing this webpage to know that this webpage is about myself only. So it is basically like writing a heading. Next, I will add more paragraph tags and write some more information like how I'll show you now. So my first line is going to be my name is dash. You can fill the dash with your name. So next I'm going to type I study in dash school. So you can also fill up this part. And next I am going to type in I study in grade, and yeah, that's it. So you can fill in all the blanks which I've given. So you can add more things to this list. So for now I'm just going to enter one more sentence which is my hobbies are, and I've left 3 blanks. You can leave more or you can give less, and I've closed these 4 tags. So now the part for the head, the body is done. So I'm going to close the body, and now our whole head is done, the body is done, so our whole HTML is done. So I'm going to close the HTML. So now I'm done with that. So let us save this thing. So for saving the file, go to file and click save as, and so you will get a pop-up like this. So guys, after clicking save as, you will get a pop-up like this, and when you name the file, first you can give the name whichever you want, and after the last word without giving a space, give a period or a dot and type HTML and save your file. So here, since the topic was about myself, I'm going to put about myself dot html, and I'm going to click save, and let us see the output. So wherever you have saved it, just double click on it and it'll open in your browser. So let's open and check it out, guys. So guys, this is the final output. It has come perfectly just like we typed in. So guys, here I have the code which I have done just for your reference. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.